Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. The problem for today: losses covered by a flood insurance policy are uniformly distributed on the interval 0-2. The insurer pays the amount of the loss in excess of a deductible D. The probability that the insurer pays at least 1.20 on a random loss is 0.30. Calculate the probability that the insurer pays at least 1.44 on a random loss. So let's write x for that random variable, which is the amount of the loss. Then the probability that x is more than little x, some specific value, which is the same as probability that x is greater than or equal to x because it's a continuous distribution, is the fraction of the interval from 0 to 2, where x is bigger than little x, which is from x to 2, and the length of that interval is 2 minus x, as a ratio of the length of the whole interval from 0 to 2. That's 2 minus x over 2 minus 0, so that's the same as 1 minus x over 2. And let y be the amount paid by the insurer under the contract in this problem. So we have that 0.3 is a probability that y is greater than or equal to 1.20, but y, when it's positive, it's equal to x minus d. So that's the same as probability that x minus d is greater than or equal to 1.20, which is the probability that x is greater than or equal to d plus 1.2, which is 1 minus d plus 1.2 over 2. And from this we get that 0.3 is equal to 1 minus d plus 1.2 over 2, and that means that d plus 1.2 over 2 is 0.7, or d plus 1.2 is 1.4, or d is, we can just conclude that d is equal to 0.2. Well, then the probability that y is greater than or equal to 1.44 is the probability that x minus d is greater than or equal to 1.44. And d is 0.2, so this is the probability that x minus 0.2 is greater than or equal to 1.44, which is the same as probability that x is greater than or equal to 1.64, which is 1 minus 1.64 over 2, 1 minus 0.82, which is 0.18, and that's answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself was created by a Society of Actuaries and belongs to a Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.